Hi, my glittering gorgeous souls. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to answer one of the most asked questions जो आप सब मुझसे पूछते हो, especially on my Instagram. So before I start, I really want to tell you all something. So मैं हमेशा sit down videos नहीं बनाने वाली हूँ, but for this topic per se, I really wanted to make a sit down video just because ये एक ऐसा topic है कि अगर बहुत कुछ हो रहा है video पे तो you will lose focus. And I have told this मेरे first video पे that the purpose of this channel is that we grow together, we grow alongside each other, and that's why I have decided something. So at the end of every video, I am going to be giving you all a mini challenge which is supposed to act as a self-reflective thing for you all. And on that note, let's just start with the video. So firstly, I think it's very important for you all to recognize that why do you want to be financially independent. सबका अपना अपना reasons होता है, and I think that is the main foundation that will set how you will earn, how will you see money. That really keeps you going, and even if you feel like giving up, that one why का answer won't let you. So in my case, we actually have to go बहुत flashback में. It all started, I think, when I was 5 years old, because that was the time when my parents got separated, and I started living with my mom and my sister. We lived in shelter homes, we lived in garages. So during that time, we were going through a lot of financial constraints. So I was aware of these things, and जैसे जैसे I grew up, I kind of started to realize that how important money really is. My mom always told us one thing ever since I'm like 5-6 year old. So she used to tell us that no matter what, just be independent, emotionally independent, financially independent, just overall be independent. So I think why I want to be independent started with my childhood. It started with how I saw my mom fight for us. It started with how I saw life, saw money, saw my future. I just wanted कि future में हम ऐसे situation में वापस कभी ना आए when we have to think twice before fulfilling our basic need. Now once you know that, it's really important for you to explore yourself, to explore your interests, to explore what works for you. This step is something that most of the people just ignore because उनको लगता है कि oh we just want fast money, हमें एक website बता दो, but it won't help you in the long run. In the long run, you really need to set up a base, you really need to have a strong foundation, and that comes from the exploration step. You need to explore, you need to know what you like doing, you need to know what works for you. For me, I explored a lot. I was around 12 years old जब the situation in my family was a little stable, and that was the time I started exploring. I started with volunteering at non-profit organizations. I started my YouTube channel eventually. I learned editing through it. I learned scripting through it. I learned how to be creative through it. मुझे बस बचपन में इतना पता था कि I am creative because जो भी स्कूल में projects वगैरह होते थे, I was very creative. So मुझे बस इतना लगता था कि I have that thinking कि I can think out of the box and I'm very creative. This is the only thing I knew. Through that, I did a lot of exploration. So मैंने बहुत कुछ किया है जिससे मुझे पता चला कि okay, these are a few things which I really like doing. Everybody, once they start exploring, they will definitely find one thing or the other जो वो अच्छा कर सकते हैं. So side में I'll also attach all the things that I started with and how did I start exploring. So वो सब मैं ऐसे attach कर दूंगी as like a little note. So let me just tell you one thing. We are in the era of social media, and to be very honest, social media is one of the biggest privileges that we as a generation have. Use the power of social media for your own benefit. So as a 13-14 year old, I also volunteered in several non-profit organizations. I really got interested in social activism, and actually because of that, because of my volunteering journey in non-profits, I got so interested that I started my own non-profit organization last year. So I'm very interested in social issues and talking about it, spreading awareness, and I'm a huge feminist. So I think because of volunteering at that age, when I was 12, 13 years old, it really broadened my mindset and my spectrum towards different communities. And to be honest, through my volunteering work that time, I gained so many opportunities. I got invited to so many different podcasts to talk about non-profit organizations, to talk about my views on social issues, my views on feminism, my views on LGBTQIA plus community, and my business and everything in total. So I got so many opportunities in podcasts also, which eventually built my resume. So personally, I started my online business on Instagram. Honestly, Instagram businesses are growing so much, and that was actually the first source of my income. And I remember that my first ever earning was around 600, 700 rupees, and I was so happy. So the next thing I tried was freelancing. So I told you that while exploring, I got to know that I'm really interested in social media as well as content writing. So I did a few freelance projects. So majorly, I got most of my clients through Facebook groups, and then I also got a few through LinkedIn. Now the main thing happened when word of mouth started to take place. So one client referred me to another, and then that's how my freelance clientele base formed. All of these were highlighted in my resume that I made. So मेरे resume के through मुझे बहुत freelancing opportunities मिलने लगे. So I actually didn't wait for anybody to hand over the opportunity to me. I created them myself. उस टाइम पे मुझे नॉन प्रॉफिट्स के बारे में पता चला था, तो I tried that. I tried YouTube, I tried my writing page on Instagram, I opened my own online business. So ये सब के through मेरा थोड़ा resume and portfolio build होने लगा, and then I transitioned into getting freelance clients. So 2024 के beginning तक मेरा business and my freelance work were the two of my main income sources. Now जो मेरा freelance work था वो भी बहुत broad था, मतलब उसमें भी छोटे छोटे sub streams थे income के, cause I was a freelancer in a lot of fields. I was a freelance social media manager, I did content writing for a few brands, I also did video editing, I did graphic designing, I also created UGC videos for a few brands. So वो सब मिला के मेरे 5-6 monetary based income sources हो गए थे. And excluding that, I also started my own non-profit organization. Then I started creating videos which were not paying me at that time when I started, right? So वो सब भी था जो I used to count as my work, but obviously it was not paying me that time. So eventually, even content creation started paying me really well, and that happened this year only, like earlier this year. Till last year, मेरा business and all the 5 to 6 different freelance work ही था जो मैं करती थी majorly. And इस साल से content creation is also one of my top income sources right now. If you're interested in creating content, go for it. If you're interested to do freelancing in any of the fields, go for it. Build your resume, build your portfolio, network with people, be active on LinkedIn, join Facebook groups, send cold emails, reach out to small brands, reach out to big brands, and look for opportunities as much as you can. And just keep going. Just do anything and everything that you feel is right at the moment. So freelancing, internships, content creation, online business, some online jobs, or any other self-employment ways, they all are the different things that you can do to start earning. And honestly, when you're starting off, take all sorts of work, paid work, unpaid work. It's really important for you to build that foundation and have experiences. Don't say no just because this is something that is not giving you instant money. At the end, obviously सबका journey बहुत अलग होता है. Your journey will definitely differ from mine. So this video was basically for anybody who's just clueless कि next step मेरा क्या होना चाहिए. Okay, so that is like the only reason why I created this video. Like I said, I didn't come from privilege. I created my own privileges. And if I can, you can too. Just trust the process. So now it's time for your first ever mini challenge. So this is the challenge for today. Do reflect on this. And if you want, you can drop your answers in the comment section below as well. I would love to read them and talk to you about it. So this was a little something about my financial independence journey before my 20s, and I try to keep it as crisp and as short I can because I talk a lot, and I just had so many things to tell you all about this topic. So this was it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.